Good morning, guys. Welcome back to this vlog. Or welcome to this vlog. Anyways, you guys, the fact that I'm wearing this is not even on purpose. It's not even to look good, even though I know that I look good, okay? But I caught some sort of eye infection. Hold on, let me relax my hands. I caught some sort of eye infection, and I don't know what exactly it is. So I'm actually on my way. I'm actually about to leave to go to the eye clinic to know exactly what's wrong, and it's on this eye. I'm going to pull it up and show you guys, but my eye, this one is so sensitive to light. I was supposed to film today and do some things today, but I can't do much today because see, if I open, if the way I'm wearing the shades now, if I remove it and the light just enters my eye, it pains my eyeballs, like it pains me so much, and then I start tearing up. It's a horrible experience. Let me see if I can show you guys. Can you see it? It's so painful. Can you guys see it? I've tried. But basically, this eye is infected. And I don't know what happened. Um, I noticed it Saturday, but it was mild on Saturday. Then yesterday, Sunday, Kobe's birthday, it got worse, but I couldn't go out because it's Kobe's birthday. I had to stay with him. And so today, I've decided to go. Hopefully, I haven't planned for this vlog to go up today. I just plan to vlog a day in my life. We'll see. Have you guys had this kind of experience before? Some people are saying it's Apollo, but I don't know. Is that thing still a thing? Is it still happening? But the funny thing is that I think I know where I caught this infection from, though. Last week, I sat down with a parent in school whose eye was very teary and, infected clearly. So I probably got it from there, but we'll see what the eye doctor says. Carry you guys along. Asha is back in. My house is a mess right now. See everywhere. Everywhere is so scattered. But they're already here to clean it. So cleaning is going on right now. Yesterday was Kobe's party. Even though it wasn't like a big party. You guys, I plan for Kobe to do his unboxing of his presents today after school. So when he comes back, I'm going to film it for his channel. If I end up doing it, I'll let you guys know towards the ending of this video so that you go and check it out on his channel. Kobe has so much presents. Gosh, like I feel so bad for Kaito that I actually bought Kaito a gift, and I also bought for Adana so that when Kobe's opening, they don't feel bad like they don't have anything to open. Anyways, let's go. So guys, I'm currently in Adese's house now. I'm done with the eye clinic. I went with my husband, and I don't know, just in case, because I don't know I didn't know what they wanted to do to my eyes. So I wanted to go with someone in case I won't be able to drive. But you guys can see that I'm actually like, my eyes are open now and it's quite bright. So basically they tested my eyes, they said the pressure and everything. They said it's just an infection, which is what I suspected, but I just wanted to be sure. You don't want stories that touch, because I started Googling and I started seeing things about going blind and just worst situations. See, Google is really not your friend. But yeah, so I'm back. I'm in Adese's house now. We're going to the bank.
Okay.
Beautiful damsel.
Hi.
See how fresh you're looking.
Thank you. Thank
Adese
you.
is looking very hot today. I love her outfit. I love
Thank
it.
you.
Anyways, let's head to the bank. Okay, I need to cover my eyes now. I've tried. Let's
Yeah.
head to the bank. Thank you. And yeah, let's just be going, Sha. From bank, what else? I need to make peppered snail for my husband today. I already promised him peppered snail because I ate one of his peppered gizzard yesterday. So I promised him peppered snail. So I think we'll have to branch market as well. And snail is so freaking expensive in the market right now. It's so ridiculous. The last time I went to buy snail, I just told them, you know what? I don't want to get me and this went and bought chicken. We're like, we know they chop.
As in, do you know how many chicken you buy with that money?
As
But
in,
somebody contacted me yesterday, and she said that she started a snail farm.
yeah.
So she was now sending me pictures of the product. I didn't even open it though. But now that you said it, now let me check now. Okay,
I hope you put it well.
put that one. So you give me 2 nylon.
Thank you. Oh yeah.
Okay. Have you given me money?
We're in the market now shopping. This is how we used to shop in the market.
Carrots.
Bring for dash.
For that.
Hey guys, this is how we used to shop. Oh, this is how we used to shop when we come to this market at least. And the truth is that I like coming to this market because it's stressless. They're cleaning my snail for me now. I promised Francis snail. I think I told you before. See my ashy hands. Just pretend like you're not seeing this ashiness. I promised him snail. So yeah, washing the snail now. Snail is so expensive. The size I just bought 1.5 used to be 500 naira. So now I just spent about not about I spent 4.5 buying snail, and this one I bought 4.5 is the same quantity that I used to buy 1,500 naira. Let that sink in. It's very very crazy to be honest. Waiting for the snail. Let's be buying other things actually. We're back from school. The weather is so gloomy. I'm cooking. So, see, I don't know who used to send me message. I've tried to do abacha because I'm craving abacha. So, I want to eat abacha. So, I have to satisfy my craving. And also, Kaito likes abacha. And then I'm making the peppered snail. Not well, it's peppered snail, but really not much pepper. It's more like tatache peppered snail for Francis and one of my friends coming today. And then thirdly, I'm also making peppered gizzard because I don't like snail and I'm already making peppered something, so I have to add gizzard for myself. So these are the three things I'm going to finish cooking today before even I did this vlog. Also, I just washed this thing. This is that AC filter. I washed it, kept it here to dry, put on the fan for it. So let's go and put it inside the kids' AC. It was so black before. It was so black before. I'm sure if you live in PH, you know about the black suit. Like it was pure black. I was in a hurry, so I didn't even show you guys it before. But I'm going to do the same thing for my room and the other room. So I'll show you guys that one. But let us fix it.
Sometimes I love too hard. Sometimes you go too far. Cool down, my love. Cool down, my love. Yeah. Sometimes there's attraction. It's hard to keep up with your passion. So cool down, my love. Cool down, my love.
Sweetheart, what did you just tell me now? Why should people always say the truth? Because Kobe is always saying the truth. But Kaito is always lying. See his face.
Is because they will not forgive you
If you what?
if you lie,
They will not forgive you.
and God will take you to hellfire.
Good job. God will take it to fire the lie. So lying is not good, you know that, right?
Yes.
Kaito, why do you always lie? Why do you always lie?
Because some always say it's me.
Because Kobe always says you.
Yes.
But is it always you? Can you say the truth? Remember what we said about saying the truth? Is it always you? Is it always you?
No.
Let me tell you people one thing about Kaito, eh? You can catch Kaito holding gun, eh? And putting a bullet into someone's head. And ask him, Kaito, who just shot that person in the head? He tell he has never seen something like a gun his whole life. Like that boy can deny anything. Sweet boy, come. Do you know that it's good to say the truth?
Yeah.
Do you promise to start saying the truth now? Ew. Put your tongue inside, you have bread on it. Will you start saying the truth?
Yeah.
Will you start telling mommy the truth?
Yeah.
So cute. So cute. I'm still cooking, no. I'm still here cooking. What's the time? Okay, it's past 3.
Sometimes there's attraction. It's hard to keep up with your passion. So cool down.
You guys, it's the next day, and I know I said this vlog was going to go up yesterday, but clearly it didn't. Hopefully, go up today. But right now, I'm on my way to my microblading appointment. So in fact, this story is long. Maybe when I come back, I'll tell you guys because I'm almost late. But I'm not doing it with the same person I did the first one with. I didn't do my touch up, so I wanted it to fade a little bit because I didn't really like the first one, even though it was nice, but I feel like there are people that do better jobs. So I'm going to another person to get it done now, and hopefully it turns out well. When I come back, if it looks good, I'll tell you guys about the person. And also, Kobe opened his gifts yesterday, so check out that video. I'll link it down below. Hopefully, both of them will go up today. But yeah, let's go. I will try and vlog if she allows me to, but if not, I will just tell you guys how it went when I'm done. You guys, can you tell the difference on my face? Like, I'll give you a minute to tell me what's different. In case you forwarded this video, you did not see the clip before now, so can you tell me? Anyways, look at my brows. Look at my brows. They look so good, so amazing. And this is just day one. Now I can happily tell you guys about the babe that did my brows for me. So let me open her Instagram. Funny enough, I found her on Instagram. She doesn't know me, I don't know her. Even the last person that did my brows here is just somewhere that I normally use, and I just went there. But the truth is, I wasn't that much impressed, so I didn't just bother going back. Like, in fact, saying I'm not impressed is an understatement. I didn't bother going back because I know it's not really what I want. Anyways, the person that did this eyebrow for me today is Lash by D. That's her Instagram, LASHBYDEE. I don't know why I just spelled it because I'm going to put it on the screen. Anyways, Lash by D, and her job is just amazing. Like, I don't even know the word to use. Look at these brows, and this micro shading and micro blading together. That was the picture I showed her what I wanted, but I ended up doing just micro blading. I didn't do blading and shading, so this is just blading. Just look at that. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. Look at her job. Her work is amazing. Like, you guys, check her out. Tell her you're from Nelo in case you visit, because actually, why do I have to say you're from Nelo? She doesn't even know who I am. She doesn't know my name. But just say it still. It was really, really good. My experience was top notch. The place looked really nice, smelled really good. Like, I have no complaint whatsoever. And you guys know that this is still going to fade anyway. It's going to get darker, get worse, scrape. It's going to go through a lot. Then it's finally going to fade. Let me even look at. I just had to come close for you guys to see. Look at that perfection. Like, it looks like I drew my brows and I did nothing. Look at that perfection. Go and check her out. You guys, check her out if you're in PHC. 100 over 100 for me. Top notch. Like, no cap. Check her out. Obviously, I'll update you guys in my next vlog. I'll probably show you guys updates or something. As I vlog, I'll just show you guys updates with the whole microblading. So this is microblading, like, it literally has strokes. It's not shading. You guys can see the strokes, like, hair. It's not shading. It's microblading. Anyways, I want to make abacha today because I've been craving abacha. So right now, I'm on my way to go and buy abacha. I have every other thing apart from the actual abacha. So let's go.
A few moments later.
I'm back. So I bought radler to go with the abacha. You guys know that abacha and radler or smirnoff, they just go well together. Bought some juice, and this is the abacha that I use. And I love this abacha so much. It's thin and long. See, if you eat abacha, you probably understand the difference between this thin and long one and those fat ones. I'm back home now, and I'm just going to cook. Kobe is going downstairs. See Kobe here. Kobe, come and say hi to the people. Kobe, I have to go downstairs with Kobe because he wants to go and ride his bicycle downstairs.
Hi.
Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Say, go and watch my channel, guys.
Go and watch my channel, guys.
You're talking. Ew! It's okay, don't bring it up. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm going to end it here. My battery is even blinking, and I feel like this vlog is all over the place. Okay, go and check out Kobe's channel. His unboxing is going to be on his channel right now, hopefully. So go and check it out. This video might go up by 9 p.m. It doesn't matter, but it's go up today. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in my next one.